Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent central government vacancies from one of the central government institute, guys. Okay, from the government of India. And here the opportunities are there for the ITI or a diploma or graduate candidates. And here the pay scale you will get as per the central pay scale, guys. So really, it is a good news to the candidates who are looking for the government jobs with these qualifications. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are trying for such type of opportunities with these qualifications. And please subscribe my channel to get more notifications like this. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Government of India Department of Atomic Energy, so Variable Energy Cyclotron Center, VECC. So from this one, the advertisement is released and the last date for receipt of application is 20th May 2021. Okay. And here the online applications are invited from the eligible candidates for appointment to the following post in VECC, Kolkata, and the post advertised including the backlog vacancies also. And you may check down the direct recruitment, female nurse A and sub officer B, driver and work assistant A, canteen attendant. And coming to the stipendary trainee under the physics, electronics, mechanical, civil, okay, and physics, computer, electronics, instrumentation, electrical, machinist, fitter, refrigeration or air conditioning. Okay, so total is all the different number of designations regarding the vacancies, and the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. Okay, the total number of vacancies. And coming to the educational or the technical qualification and experience for a female nurse, BSc nursing is given, and sub officer is also given. Driver, work assistant is 10th standard, canteen attendant. And stipendary trainee category 1 physics, so BSc with 60% of marks, physics as a principal, and mathematics, chemistry, statistics, electronics, computer science as a subsidiary subjects. And coming to the electronics, diploma in electronics, and mechanical, diploma in mechanical, civil, diploma in civil engineering. So duration of diploma should be either 3 years after SSC or 2 years after HSC with a minimum of 60% in aggregate in diploma. And coming to the stipendary trainee category 2 physics, so 10th with minimum 60% marks plus trade certificate of not less than 2 years duration in the relevant trade, or else HSC in science stream with minimum 60% of marks with physics, chemistry and mathematics. So coming to the electronics, SSC with 60% plus trade certificate, or else NAC of 2 years, or else NTC of 1 year duration plus 1 year relevant work experience, or else NTC ITI password of 1 year duration plus NAC. And coming to the age limitations, so here the age limitations as well as emoluments and stipends and group of services are mentioned here. So minimum age limit given here, and the maximum age limit as per the caste category also mentioned here. NA means nothing but not applicable. Okay, so here the group of service is mentioned, and the level in pay matrix is also mentioned here. And coming to the stipend rate trainee category 1, okay, for first year, second year you will get 16,000 and 18,000. Minimum age limit and maximum age limit is given here. And coming to the category 2, so 10,500 to 12,500 first year and second year. So for all these posts, the minimum age limit is 18 years, guys. And the date of birth is indicated in matriculation certificate. Okay, so these are all the things. And upper age limit relaxation is provided as per the Government of India reservation norms, guys. So you may check down. And coming to the selection process, total 3 stages will be there. The stage 1 is preliminary test will conducted. So here the math, science and general awareness, and how many questions are given, that one mentioned here. And candidate scoring less than 40% in general category will be screened out. And coming to the, actually it is greater than 40%, I think. And advanced test will be there. The test will comprise 50 multiple choice questions of 2 hour duration will be there. And 3 marks will be awarded for each and every question. And next one is a skill test. So total 3 stages will be there, and from these 3 stages the selection will be done, guys. Okay, and coming to the remaining details are also kept here, so you please go through this one. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So all the interested candidates to get the most accurate information. So please once check this one, guys. Okay, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities with these qualifications. Okay, and for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide